Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the bad boy, and we out here in the usual lot and it's snowing. I thought I'd do a video quickly to address our 100 subscriber goal. And I'm a man of my word. I said we're gonna do a 100 sub giveaway, so we're gonna do a 100 sub giveaway. Now the way it's gonna work is you're gonna have to sub to the channel and drop a like on this specific video. I'm gonna gather all the names from the subscriber list and the likes, and then I'm just gonna put it into like one of those giveaway websites, hit go. The person that wins, they get a starter kit, a starter detailing kit. So it's gonna be like a car wash and a detailing kit to get you started on your little whip. And I think that's a solid giveaway for starters. It's our first giveaway on the channel. All right, as far as the car goes, I obviously haven't put an update on this car in a while. I was actively looking to sell it, if I'm being honest, and I got some good offers. I just couldn't let go of the car. It felt like the project was unfinished. So I need your help to decide. What do you guys want to see? Do you want me to build this car, like go all out, like finish the build, tune everything, or should I sell it? And if I sell it, what I'm thinking of is an M4 or F80 M3. Okay, so we're looking to get into an S55. So you let me know if we should build this or move on. I am looking to, if I am gonna sell it, I don't know if I should part it out or just sell it as is. That's kind of like the other thing, is I can't let go of the car, like we built it. It means a lot to me. Also, I don't know who this dude is in the back, but kind of sketch. I'm gonna have to go get the mechanic from the glove box or something, because I don't know who this guy is, bro. Hold up. Folks, I moved into the car because of this random guy out there. Like, he's kind of sketch, so we're just gonna stay in the car, and I'm just gonna do a quick outro. I want to say thanks for the 100 subs. I hope to reach 1 million soon, and I want to thank everybody in believing in me. New year, hopefully we get to do a little bit more consistent uploads. And this dude is walking up to my car. Hold up.
2,000 years later.
Anyways, guys, I don't know what that was about, but like, sub, remember, giveaways coming. I'm gonna end it probably next Monday. Catch you guys. Sub, like, remember, share, tell all your friends. We getting lit.